Story time. I've always wanted to share this story so that it can educate somebody out there, Yabon. But I was just protecting my friend's privacy. But now that she's given me the go ahead of telling the story without mentioning her name, Wabon. Fast forward university first year, fresh from high school in Sapaeza. Yabo. I meet this girl. I came into varsity second week of varsity, like Sekvuliwe. I missed the orientation. So I didn't get everybody knows everybody and okay, for the first 2 days I come into class, I go, yabo. I attend, I just leave, yabo. How the third day I meet this girl, a very pretty girl, yellow bold, like yo. Hey, she was from Kimberley. I'll call her Tasha. She still is actually. She still is very much gorgeous. Her name is Tasha. I would just call her Tasha. So Tasha, we're very close friends. Oh, Charles, man, like Bombon, even the way she dressed, as in this girl is from a very affording family. Yeah, she's from a very affording family, and Utanda isn't as nice, isn't as right. Yabo. Sharp, we become friends, we become very close. Yabona, she waits for me in the morning, I wait for her. Like bus rides, we are together. Galo, yabo, breakfasts in the morning, sisonke nje. Yabo, umngani wami, buddy. Fast forward, umngani, she liked nice things, yabo. She liked nice things, and I could say, Guti, some of the things she introduced me to some of the things, and fast forward, my friend meets this guy. She meets this guy, Liguzumela, yabo, Liguzumela, and before you guys, before you start being forward and thinking, Guti, he was older, he was from some of the neighboring African countries like Zimbabwe, Nigeria. No, he was South African. Yabo, uguy nje like put nje mfethu omuhle yabo, clean. Fast forward, the guy takes us out, gives my friend money. My friend shares the money with me. Spend, she shares, like literally shares. If you guy pay maybe 2,000 rand, she'll call me, even though I'm like, but bengipa because we're very close friends. Yeah, so my friend was from Kimberley. She didn't have family this side. So I was her friend. I was her family. And she trusted me with everything. Fast forward, Umgani, she moves out of rest. She moves in with Liguzumela. Liguzumela, Nalula, there's an estate. I think it's Aspen Hills. Ngase Mall of the South. Yes, behind Mall of the South. That one. So she moves in. Guy Amofe, BMW, what series? I think loyo at that time. I won't tell you when because now you start calculating my age. Okay, so now she gives it about hard umngani kumnandi. Fast forward man towards end of first semester umngani manje akasazi eklasini yabo. And manje I need to start making friends because lento ukuthi ngizongena eklasini ngiphume ngihambe like it's not on. I need to make friends. It's getting a bit uncomfortable for me. I'm getting frustrated with her. How friend, what's going on? He tells me, like, friend, you know what? I was just doing education, this course, and I was actually coming to school because my mom was forcing me to, but I have no desire to study. Nah, currently, I just want to be a housewife. How? Friend, housewife? Yes, housewife. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open up a business, wada. You know, the crazy things that you guys say when you're drunk in love. So first of all, she starts coming to school, and now I have to make new friends. I eventually make friends. Abanye bakhumbule ukuthi, "Oh, man, we've seen this girl with so and so. When okay, so and so, and I'm like, so and so went back to Kimberley because now, I have to protect my friend because we're still friends, right? Ukuthi beyangasafundi, but we're still friends. Hi, fast forward, umgani, we keep in touch nje, like she checks on me, like she's still a friend. Ukuthi nje, the only thing that was missing was a presence, yabo? And even on weekends when I have to see her, sometimes when I have to see her now, it's starting to become a problem because akasazenzeli. Fast forward, okay, sharp, umgani. Hi. besikhuluma njalo, like every day. Hi T, how are you? Are you okay? You know? Fast forward, umngani wami, she keeps quiet for something like a week. I text her. I send emails. I go on her Facebook. I go on her BBM. It was during the BBM days. I text like Ngani Dololo. It greeted the first week, the second week. Now I'm worried. And I can't go there because ngizongena kanjani. You know? I'm worried now. I shared with this other guy because na ube mas. Yeah, well, I tell him like, dude, listen, so and so, I can't get a hold of her because wada. Hi, and he's like, okay. Manga to Kulumana on that very same day, girl, she texts me. Our friend, where have you been? No friend, we had to go somewhere, there's something that we needed to. She says, yo, mngani, tizopila the life that we want. I just want to come on campus, take you out and spoil you. Right? Hi, okay, mngani comes. Vele ngempela umngane aze vele ahambe ngitshela ukuthi umuntu wami got this other big project that he's working on and he's making money. She's driving a different car now. She's driving a different car, mind you. She's driving not a car, a vehicle. Guys, I don't even want to say it because you'll think I'm exaggerating and I'm not. She comes, she picks me up. Mngani wami, kumnandi. Fast forward, umngani uyagula. My friend gets so sick, guys. Like, yabona umuntu omhlophe mayegula and they start being gray. She gets so sick. She phones me. Okay, agekho. Uhambile. She phones me, she Ubers me, I go there. Sekumele ukuthi sihambe mangingena, guys. Yo. Kule camera bekakulo ngahlangabezwa esinye ismell, guys, esinye ismelly. Hi, you know, like it's like menstruational blood, like ebolile. You don't understand which kenzakalani. Yo sihambe nomngani wami. Hi, mbuze friend, what's wrong? What did you eat? Why you bleeding like this? How, guys, sihambe. We go to Glenanda Clinic because she didn't have medical aid, right? We go to Glenanda. I think it was Glenanda Clinic. We go there for my friend to be checked out and stuff. How? Okay, I'm sihambe. I'm going with her, mind you. Sihambe, we go nomgani, check out. There's nothing. They don't understand where the bleeding is coming from. Hi, Manjumgange. I think she thought Ubezoshona. She thought she was dying at that time. She was like, friend, I need you to call my mom. I need to call my sister. I've got my sister Ohlala Renbeck. I didn't even know that she has a sister Ohlala Renbeck. I've got my sister Ohlala Renbeck. Please call them. This is what happened. This guy asked for my menstruational blood. Lento yama pads. Yokubona abantu bathatha ama pads wabantu bawa. Ayiqali manje, guys. It's been there. I gave my boyfriend my blood as a what covenant, as a sacrifice for him to have money. And then 3 weeks later, I started bleeding nonstop and I started smelling young avoider and stuff. Yo, guys, I called the sister. They took her. Wahambumgan. She went back to Kimberley. I kept on communicating with the sister. It took her some time, guys. But in thing I nje ukuthi umngani wagcina elitholile usizo and but it took months before she was okay, but eventually she was okay and she's okay now. She's working and uguy usewashona ke. The guy passed on. So guys, be careful. Be careful. Like, don't be gullible. Don't be a yes ma'am to everything. Like, people are so cruel. People would do anything to have money. That needs God, the girls. I just wanted to share the story as a form of awareness for somebody ongazithola akuleyo situation. Tengayisho nje ukuthi umngane wami uyaphila, she's okay, and we are in communication again. And yeah, she asked me to share the story as form of awareness.
Hey bandla titori Dala Mzansi or Ateatusa. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Nangisesococa story semngani wakhe lo wahlangana naye esikolweni kokuthi mfana igirl wathola emfana weligozumela futhi lo bekanemali wamuva wehlala naye wasuka erese kani budi ofuna kuthwala ngaye. I don't understand ukuthi umnikelani umuntu ingadi yakho ye-menstruation. It really doesn't make sense to me cause clearly intombatane bekade kokuthi kuyo-21 ngale ngadi like uvuma njani hey guys, abantu bayayithanda imali la ngaphandle ntindo abantu labatentako for imali tishace samtimba umfana nje akanandzaba or your husband or your partner kokuthi mangakuthandi ukavela afune kusacrifice ngawe. This is just so sad and it's a very heartbreaking story. Ngazi ukuthi boswesi bethu la ngaphandle bangaba careful bangajabuliswa futhi imali labangayadi okokuthi velaphi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.